Okay. And next topic is addressing in the TCP/IP. Basically, the addressing is the another important concept which is regarding to the or related to the particular protocol layering in the internet. So basically, there is a logical connection between the number of pairs of the layer of the particular TCP/IP layering suite. So for any communication take place between the source and destination, to address namely consider. For example, we consider the source address and we consider the destination address. So we needed the four pair of such a addressing for which is corresponding to the four layers which having or which is needed the particular addressing data addressing which is considered as a data link layer, network layer, transport layer and application layer. There is no need of addressing at the physical layer because the physical layer communication is takes place in the bit, so which cannot have any addressing. So this is the particular diagram. Here we have to mention the packet name, layers and addressing of that particular packet. So it also shows the relationship between the various layers and the addresses which is in the each layer and the name of the packet at the each layer. So generally we use the name to define the site address which is provided by the required services. For example, if we consider the particular site means www.com or any msbt.com at the application layer. It also possible to use the email address such as p.priyanka at gmail.com. So the address at the transport layer which is called as a port number. Okay. Whenever we consider the address in application layer, we have to mention the URL or the particular address of the Gmail. But whenever we comes in the particular transport layer, the address of that particular transport layer, it is in the form of port number. So this defines the program at the application layer of the source and destination. There are several application layer programs running at the time. So port number are local address which is used to designate or distinguish or differentiate the different programs. So with the help of that port number, we have to differentiate the program which is running at the simultaneously. So the connection of this device is the internet is uniquely defined by the network layer. With the help of this, we have to define the particular addresses. So these address at the network layer are the globally in nature because the worldwide internet or whole internet is the scope of these addresses. So basically when we consider the particular network, we have to mention the particular query. For example, if you want to find the particular contents, definition of network. So this is your logical address. Whenever the system map that address into the physical one, then he access the data which is available and the particular drive or particular server and then display over the computer system. The address at the data link layer are basically called as a MAC address. MAC address means the media access control. Means every logically or locally defines the particular address. Each host or the router in the internet network or the network, such as a LAN, WAN, or every individual system having the MAC address. So this MAC address is basically the physical address of any given system. So the packet from the source to destination host passes through the physical network. So the physical level of IP address is not useful, but whenever we host that router and the particular router are recognized or we can identify that particular device with the help of MAC address. IP address only represents the network address, and with the help of MAC address we actually find out the that particular device. The MAC address is a logical address or it is uniquely located, but it is not a unique universally. So these IP and MAC address are the two different identification Both are the needed for accessing the network or accessing or communicating the network. So the physical network can have a different protocol. So at the level of network layer at the same time. So these two protocols, MAC address and IP address, the similar packet may passes through the different physical network. So whenever we deliver that packet, host or router, we require the two level of addressing, which is called as the IP addressing and the MAC addressing. But with the help of MAC addressing, we have to recognize the actual device, and with the help of IP addressing, we have to access that particular network information or network through which we have to communicate over the network. So most importantly, we should able to map the IP address into the corresponding map address. The size and format of the physical addresses varies, which is depend on the network basically. So the Ethernet means we have to consider the LAN address. It having the 48 bits means 6 byte longer. So physical addressing in which we have to consider the network interfacing card with the help of NIC card. For example, if we want to send the contents from system 1 to system N, if there is a sender A or sender 1 to sender 4, this is your receiver, this is your connection between the system, and here you packet information. This is your destination address. This is your source address. Actually contains actual data. Okay. Whenever we transfer the sender computer, which is physical address is 1, wants to communicate with the receiver computer, which having the physical address is particular 45. The frame sent by the sender, which consists the destination address and the source address, and encapsulated data, which is having the particular starting at this particular information, means this is your particular encapsulated information, means the header information. It consists for the error correcting bit. So when we want to transfer the data from source to destination, the frame travel over the bus topology. Every computer receives the particular contents. If he tries to match it with the own physical address, at that time he accept that content, else he discard and forward towards the next computer. So if the destination address in the frame header does not match with the physical address, simply he's drop the message, and receiver computer means the destination computer address matches its physical address. So the frame is accepted and decapsulated over the particular receiver side. This is the basic example regarding to the addressing of the particular thing. So next we consider the logical address. Basically, the logical address is considered as an IP address. So the logical address are required to facilitate the universal communication in which the different type of physical network are involved. So the logical address is also called as a IP address. Means the internet protocol address. So the internet consists many physical network which interconnected via the particular router or connecting device. The internet is a packet switch network. That means we have to data from source computer is sent in the form of smallest packet carrying the destination address and passing over the network. The packets start from the source host and passing through many physical devices and finally reach to the destination devices. For example, there is a router and n number of systems connected with this or n number of network connected with this. So first network is transmitted the particular packet over the router through that particular network. He carries some IP addresses. With the help of this, he passes over the network and transmit the data to that particular destination location. So at the network layer, the host and router are recognized by their IP addresses or logical addresses. Basically, the IP address is the inter-network address. It is usually a unique identification number over the network. Every protocol involves the internetworking or every networking requires the IP addressing to transmit the or for the communication purpose. The local address used in the internet, basically it is having the 32 bits longer. So same IP address can never be used by more than one computer. So every computer having its unique IP address in the particular internet or particular network. So with the help of this, we have to recognize that address. Next concept is port addressing. In modern computer or in today's computer are designed to run the multiple processing simultaneously. Means we have to run the multiple processes or multiple tasks at the same time. So the main objective of the internet is the process to process communication. Means whenever we communicate with the one process to another process, the n number of processes executed simultaneously in the given system. For this purpose, it is needed to be a label and the name to that particular process to recognize the process. So this process requires the address. Every process requires the address through which we have to recognize which process is running currently or which is not. So the label assigned to that process which is called as a port number. So basically the port number is a 16-bit long. Next one is a specific addressing. So basically some application have a user friendly. So the example of specific addressing as the email addressing means we have to consider the URL. URL means universal resource locator. So with the help of this, we have to recognize the particular or we have to search the particular website. We have to search the n number of content with the help of URL, which considers a unique identification like a email addressing. This is the concept of your addressing in the TCP IP, how to address, how to map the particular system with the help of IP address or MAC address. And every process having the name for which we have to easily recognize or the current working procedure, or we can easily differentiate the which procedure or process is currently running or which is not, so through which we have to easily recognize. So whenever we assign the name to that particular process which is called as a port number. This is the concept of addressing in TCP IP protocol.